Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to fix the road pause issue in Pokemon Go so you can continue exploring without interruptions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if necessary. Weak or unstable connections can cause the road to pause. Step 2. Enable location services. Go to your phone settings, tap location, and ensure location services are turned on. Set the location mode to high accuracy for better tracking. Step 3. Check permissions for Pokemon Go. Open Settings app, tap Apps, App Management, find Pokemon Go. Then Permissions. Ensure that location and other necessary permissions are enabled. Step 4. Restart Pokemon Go. Close the app completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection and resolve minor glitches. Step 5. Update the app. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store and check if there is an update for Pokemon Go. Install any available updates to fix known bugs. Step 6. Avoid battery optimization restrictions. On Android, go to Settings, Battery Optimization, find Pokemon Go or set it to Not Optimized to prevent background restrictions. Step 7. Restart your device. Rebooting your phone can help resolve temporary software issues that might be causing the road to pause. Bonus tip: walk consistently. Ensure you are walking at a consistent speed. Sudden stops or irregular movements can sometimes pause your road. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the road pause issue in Pokemon Go and enjoy uninterrupted gameplay. If this video guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.